Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a fidget review. And sorry, my voice is like super cringy. Yeah, so that was really cringy. And I'm going to rate all my fidgets. Mostly have puppets, but I have some other fidgets. So let's get into it. First fidget is here, my butterfly puppet. Let me show you how it sounds. Quiet side. There's the loud side. I think I won't give it like a 10 because like the loud side is a little bit quiet for me. But I think I'll give it a 7 out of 10 because it's a pretty nice fidget. That's it for butterfly. Next fidget is one of my newest puppets that I just got today. My Batman puppet. I'm going to give you a listen. Quiet. Loud side. This one's really nice, but it's a bit hard. So I think I'll give it like a 8.5 out of 10. Okay, next puppet is my rainbow circle puppet. Okay, this is the quiet side. It has a really nice feeling to it, and the loud side is really nice. This is a really nice one. I like the quiet side, but the loud side is a little bit like too thin. Like when I do it, it's like kind of thin and soft. So I think I'll give it a 8.5 out of 10. Now for this glow in the dark octagon thingy puppet, I'm going to turn the lights off and hopefully it glows. I don't know if it glows, but yeah. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so I will have to put this on a light. Give me a second. Okay, let me get down. I'll turn the lights off now. I'm not sure if you can see it. If I put it on the light more, then it'll be like way easier to see. But if you look closely, then you can see it. Now this one. It's pretty nice. It always bounces back, which is really annoying, and I don't like that in puppets. So it's not like the best one I have. I think I'll give it like a 5 out of 10 because like it's not that good. Maybe like a 4.5. This is another new one I got today. I'm so excited. I got it because that one wasn't working. It's a bright yellow octagon puppet. Has a really nice feeling to it, like super good. Okay, this is like the best, one of the best ones I ever have. I definitely will rate it super good. 10 out of 10, honestly. 9.8, actually. 9.999 out of 10 because it's like the first side is like really hard, a little bit hard. Yes, I'm very picky when it comes to my fidgets. Next is this marbled love heart one. If you didn't notice, it has a hole. It came with a hole. I bought it. I didn't realize, and it has a hole. So that's just sad. This is the quiet side. Don't mind the background noise. It's my brother. Okay. Loud. This one's really nice. I like it a lot, and I think I'll rate it a 7 out of 10. Next is one of my favorites. This aqua greeny different one. So this is the loud side. It's really nice, and it's definitely one of my favorites, so I'm going to give it a 9.5 out of 10. Next, this one's really light, but like, it has a really nice feel in it, and I always play with it. Super loud, and I really love it. I'll give it another 9.5 out of 10. Now we come to my square, my prized possession. I love this one. This is one of my favorites, and it was my first one ever. Yeah. This is my favorite. It has a really nice feeling to it, and it's like absolutely my favorite. It's definitely a 10 out of 10. Now for my last puppet, but not my last fidget, just my last puppet. This one, I'm gonna have to move the camera back. This is my 100 pop circle puppet. Quiet side and loud side. I really like this one. It's one of my favorite puppets ever. Definitely 9.5 because I can't really take it anywhere because it's super big. Like, this is my hand compared to it. So, yeah. Can't really take it anywhere. But it's still really nice and fun to play with. Next, my dimple. Yeah, I just got this one today. It's really nice. And it's a really nice fidget. Okay, let's do this. I don't know how to do this. Okay. Yep. So that is my dimple. That is like legit one of my favorite. I think it's like almost as good, like pretty much like the same amount of goodness or like even better than my puppet. I think I'm gonna rate that a 10 out of 10. Now a simple dimple. This is one of my favorites. Love it. 10 out of 10. 100% 10 out of 10. Okay, next I'll do my light bulb Orby stress ball. It makes a really weird sound. It's kind of uncomfortable, but like good at the same time. And it has these bubbles, which is kind of annoying. I'm not sure you can see them. So let's get into it. Yeah, I really like this one. It's one of my absolute favorites. 9.5 out of 10. Next is, well, this is not a fidget. I just like to use it as it's a pen, normal pen, and this is sound. It's really satisfying. Okay, I think I'll rate this one a 7.5 out of 10. Next, fidget cube. I love this. This is one of my first fidgets ever. So let's see how it sounds. Yeah, that's definitely one of my favorites. 100% 9.5 out of 10. Now for this Rubik's Cube. It's like my favorite, but it's a fidget, kind of. I can actually solve this, but like, it's not my favorite. So I think I'll rate it a maybe 5.5 out of 10. Next, my bike chain. Yeah, I kind of like it. Not very good at playing with it, so I'll rate it a 6 out of 10. Now, sorry, the camera keeps falling down. My Squishmallow. I really like this one. It's one of my favorites, not my absolute favorite. Definitely 8.5 out of 10. Now for this one, a snapper. It's really nice. Yeah. Yeah, I really like it. I'll rate it an 8 out of 10. I think that's all of my fidgets. Thank you for listening and love y'all. Like and subscribe, blah, 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 all that stuff. Yeah.